Okay,
Here, come here.
so let's go. Okay, so we're gonna be doing I'll do it. So we're gonna be doing a war with these staple guns, but they actually have bullets in it. Bullets, okay?
Okay.
And we're gonna do it so.
His doesn't mind though. Whatever you do, don't try it at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home. You will.
Put up your hoodie.
Yeah. Okay. So don't try this at home. And
Hurry up.
okay, let's go.
What he doesn't know is that mine actually do have bullets.
Don't end the video. Why?
I already told them that.
Car. Okay, I'm gonna end it. Okay, so we just got done, and if you guys didn't understand what I said, give me it.
Does that bolt?
Not very many. I thought we had something to say, Molly, stay.
The pizza?
Why would you call Molly stay?
Why don't you stay there?
Stay.
Okay.
Stay.
I hate this song. Dude, they made that. This is song. Yeah, it's old school rap. They made it sound like it. I'll stay. Hey. Got her. Get in there, mister. Or Missy.
Go inside. Hey,
Go inside, Mom.
in the house.
Good thing we had the bike.
Yeah.
Wow, that's lucky.
That's not the rule.
It's recording, Jared.
Come on, cow.
That's like all beef in there.
That is all beef. It's all beef.
Some of it's pork.
Had what?
Tell them about what was in there. What's this smell?
Sorry guys, I don't know if anybody in my family even knows I have.
And so, well, I know you're family, but
Huh?
we always hang out. We hang out like every day. So.
Yeah, we always get in fights. I slammed it into a green metal
it's
box.
It's lame.
So yeah, I want to say thank you for watching. Also go check.
Oh,
Also
my
go
account
check
is
out.
Nathan Barnes. Yeah,
Go check out his account,
Nathan Barnes.
Nathan Barnes. And also do not try what we just did at home because I had bullets, he didn't. So it was unfair. That's why he was running away and I wasn't. Even though I have the big puffy jacket, so it wouldn't even do anything if I got shot.
Yeah, and I have the little. Yeah.
Lame boy jacket.
Shut up.
Well, bye you guys. Wait. Say bye.
Fuck you.